Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cake easily at home without oven. Start by preparing a simple batter with flour, sugar, eggs, oil, baking powder, and vanilla. Measure ingredients accurately and mix until smooth but not overworked. Decide whether to steam, cook in a covered pan, or use a microwave based on your kitchen setup. I will guide you through each method step by step for reliable, tasty results. A stovetop cake gives a golden crust and moist crumb without an oven, and it is easier than you think. Prepare your batter and pour it into a greased cake tin that fits inside a heavy skillet. Use a heat diffuser or trivet under the tin and cover the skillet tightly to trap steam and heat. Cook on the lowest flame and rotate the pan occasionally until a toothpick comes out clean and the top springs back. Steaming creates a tender, moist cake that works well for sponge and delicate flavors, while the microwave is perfect for quick single-serving cakes. For steaming, use a covered mold and steam gently over simmering water, keeping the lid sealed. For microwave cakes, reduce batter volume, use lower power, and cook in short bursts to prevent rubbery texture. I will share timing tips and ingredient tweaks so both options turn out fluffy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.